Hi, I'm Art,
And I'm Tony.
and we're from
Garden Masters.
with a Z
.com. And this is a follow-up to our video series, How to Use Outdoor Decorations for Winter. And when we did that series, we were putting up fresh cut greens for the holidays. Now, how do you think those held up? How do you think those held up, Bart?
I think they did pretty good.
And we're going to show you right now. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and then the bell notification to get notified when we put out new videos.
Well, Tony, I did say they're in pretty good darn shape.
They are in pretty good shape, I think, Art.
But, there is some browning. They aren't as green as they were when we put them up in the merry month of December.
Now, as we said before, we bought these the weekend after Thanksgiving, and it's now February the 1st. So we wanted to show you how they held up through all those weeks.
So, Tony, I just want you to pan around because, when you look at this overall, they don't look awful.
No, they don't.
They are going down. And if we would have had a lot of hot weather, they would be pretty brown by now.
That's right. But we've had exceptionally cold weather, so that's helped to preserve them quite a lot. But the main takeaway from this is you can put outdoor decorations up for winter using live greens at the beginning of December, and they can last through a lot of the winter. Now, again, it depends on your weather. So
if you're in Florida, don't expect this because they will probably go in a couple weeks. So
true.
But if you're up north where we are and we have snow on the ground, they're going to last quite a while. Quite a while, Tony.
2 months later. It is pretty amazing. Oh, here's a brown one right here. But overall, pretty good.
Yep.
Let's move on to the next area we decorated. Okay, Art?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Stay tuned. As you can see, this was the arbor we did. It is a little bit dismantled. That was tightly up there. And yeah, there's some greens dropping and holly that will wear down faster than evergreen. So anyways, my point is, it's still good.
There's some holly that really...
It was still good, Tony, for the month of January.
It was.
We got through.
Yep.
We had holiday decorations up. We had 2 soldiers.
One on each side, but guess what?
Oh, let me see.
The one's frozen in the ground. No, don't break it.
Well,
we'll get it up in a. Well, it'll probably be there till spring, till April.
You know what? I'm gonna put a St. Patrick's Day hat on this guy. What do you think, Tony?
I think that's a darn good idea. He already has.
Look, he's got green.
Yeah.
We'll have to put some green pants on him, Tony.
Yeah. But anyway, folks, this is how the greens have lasted for 2 months on the arbor. Not as good as the pergola, but over the hot tub, but not bad. I suspect they'll have to go in a week or 2, don't you think, Art?
They will.
Yep.
And next will be the front porch. Those are looking fantastic.
Those front porch pots are really looking fantastic.
And I do want to add that the front porch pots, they're completely out of the sun. So they have a little bit more protection. So they aren't bleached out with the sun and the wind.
Yep.
So
let's go there now.
Yes, those are gonna last.
Let's go.
A long while, Tony. I love it.
Do you now?
And finally, here we are at our front porch pots. The greens that we chose or whatever can go for Christmas and into January. We're heading into February now. So since they're outdoors, they've held up very well here.
So what do we have here, Art?
So we have some white pine, we have some spruce, some gold thread cypress.
In case you've forgotten.
And these are some artificial berries. If you use the real winter berries, they probably will be shriveled up and died off by this time of the year. But these look great. But they do hold for quite a while, the winter berry.
And it just goes to show you how long these decorations will last. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and then the bell notification to get notified when we put out new videos.